Winsome ways. Once, the king of a neighboring country invited Birbal to his palace. The king had heard a lot about Birbal's wisdom. He was jealous of Birbal and was rude to him. But Birbal bore everything with a smile. Sometime later, the king's guards told him, "An old beggar has entered the royal garden." The king went there. The old beggar had just finished planting a mango sapling. The king asked, "Why did you plant the sapling here? By the time the tree bears fruit, you will certainly be dead." The beggar replied, "I planted it so that you and your children might enjoy its fruit." The king was touched. He said, "Come, I shall reward you." The beggar took off his beard and wig, and lo, it was Birbal. The king was ashamed of himself. Birbal had done a good deed in turn for a bad deed and won over the king. The Speaking Tree. Once, an old man and his neighbor went to Birbal. The old man said, "I gave my valuables to my neighbor before going on a pilgrimage. I am back, but my neighbor refuses to return them." The neighbor said, "This man never gave me any valuables." Birbal asked the old man, "Does anyone else know about this?" The old man said, "No, we were standing under a tree." Birbal said, "Bring the tree here." The old man went away. Birbal asked the neighbor, "Where is that tree? Will he return soon?" The neighbor replied, "The tree is far off. He will take time to return." After a long time, the old man returned. The tree wouldn't budge. He said, Birbal said, "While you were away, the tree told us the truth." "When?" asked the neighbor. "Just when you said that the tree is far," said Birbal. The neighbor returned the old man's valuables. A case of nothing. Once, two men rushed to Birbal for help. One of them was a poor man. He had a bundle of clothes on his head. He said, "Sir, I was walking in the hot sun with the bundle of clothes. I was tired, so I took the load off my head and rested under a tree. And then asked Birbal. I asked this man to help me place the bundle on my head. He asked me what I would pay him. I said nothing. He helped me, but now he wants the nothing that I mentioned. Birbal told the other man, I shall pay you on behalf of this poor man. Come with me. Birbal led him to a room. He said, See, there is something under the chair. The man said, Sir, there is nothing under the chair. Take it, said Birbal. The cunning man realized his mistake. No child's play. Once, Akbar could not start an important meeting because Birbal was late. When Birbal finally arrived, Akbar was angry with him. Birbal, why are you late? He thundered. Your Majesty, my child was crying. I was trying to calm him down, replied Birbal. Akbar said, You don't know anything about children. Birbal replied, Your Majesty, why don't you teach me? Akbar said, You are the child, I am the father. Birbal began crying. Akbar asked, What do you want? Birbal said, Father, I want a cow. Akbar ordered for a cow. Birbal cried again. What is it, child? Asked Akbar. Birbal said, I want milk. Akbar ordered his servants to milk the cow. Birbal drank a little bit of milk and began crying again. What happened? Asked Akbar. Put the milk back in the cow, said Birbal. Akbar gave up. He understood that bringing up a child was not easy. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.